We're out here today for Never Paint Again Company's historic restoration. The house is over 100 years old. As you can see, we've done extensive scraping. We're currently sanding and smoothing all the edges. We will apply our specialized primer. If you'd like to take a tour of the house with me, we can continue to show you what we've done so far. We specialize in all areas of exterior and interior painting, and especially historic restoration. This is the front of the house. It's already been sanded, scraped, prepped, wood filled, any rotted wood replaced, and we've primed it with oil exterior. We'll go over with 2 coats of our specialized self-leveling adhesion primer, plus 2 coats of our top coat duration. We can keep going so you can see just how extensive our prep work is. Here's the other side of the house. Again, more sanding and scraping was done.
You want me to get out of your picture, Steve?
No, I want you in my video.
I like the video, great.
There's one of our specialists applying the oil primer.